A deadly storm of mental health and drug abuse crises in Northeast Florida. New statistics show that overdose deaths in both Duval and Clay County are up dramatically this year. On Your Side's Haley Harrison shows us how behavioral health care facilities are responding.
The COVID-19 pandemic fueling an epidemic in 2020.
So we're seeing a real pattern here of this terrific pandemic consequence of increasing individuals' anxiety levels, their depression levels, and so they are turning to unhealthy coping mechanisms and strategies to ameliorate that pain. However, that is only going to cause further complications.
A new state report shows overdose deaths between last March and June increased by 60% in Duval County and rose by 45% in Clay County. Projections show final numbers across Florida will likely be higher. Dr. Christine Caulfield says Lutheran Services of Florida Health System's 60 provider agencies are feeling the striking statistics like these firsthand.
Our residential facilities are reporting that the need is so great. That they have full detox and full residential beds, and we're garnering additional dollars from the federal government through DCF to address these issues.
The nonprofit is also using grant money from Florida Blue for prevention, for efforts such as training primary care doctors for early detections of patients who are having issues with substance abuse. If you or someone you know is struggling, please call LSF Health System's 24/7 Access to Care line at 1-877-229-9098. Other tips from Dr. Caulfield on healthy ways to cope during these unprecedented times can be found in this story on our website. Haley Harrison, First Coast News, On Your Side.
So important to know that help is available. Well, we are